Good morning. Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Now, Shericka Jackson has made her long awaited return to the track on Saturday, stepping into the blocks for her first Diamond League appearance in 10 months in China. With the eyes of the athletics world watching, the Jamaican sprint queen lined up for her first 200 meter of the season. Her first since recovering from the injury that heartbreakingly kept her out of the Paris 2024 Olympics. The anticipation was electric. Fans were eager to see if the four-time world champion could pick up where she left off. Facing a stacked field that included American Terry, Switzerland Kambunji, and Pandaren of the USA, Jackson was still widely seen as the woman to beat. But on the day, it was none of your favorites that won. It was American Battle who surged ahead, battling, taking the win in a fast 22.41 seconds. Jackson, showing promise early season from despite the long layoff, finished a strong second in 22.79. Though not the win Jamaican fans were hoping for, Jackson's return marks a powerful first step back to dominance on the world stage. So we just had to give you that update quick about Shericka Jackson. We'll keep you updated as the track and field seasons as it progresses. Let us know in the comments what you think. Like, share, subscribe as usual if you like this type of content. More content coming soon.